Introduction: the costly default mistake. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. When people start using Anthropic's Claude, their default instinct is usually to just click on the biggest, strongest, and most expensive model available. They assume that if it costs the most, it must be the best choice for whatever they're doing. But here is the reality: Claude's biggest problem today isn't whether it can do what you want. It's whether you know how to choose the right model for the specific task at hand. Selecting the wrong model doesn't just waste your expensive API credits or monthly allowances, it actually slows down your entire workflow. Today, I'm giving you a dead simple framework so you never choose the wrong model again. We're breaking down how to balance your tasks between Sonnet, Opus, and Haiku. Claude. Sonnet, your daily workhorse. Let's start with the model you should be using 80% of the time, Claude. Sonnet. Think of Sonnet as your daily main driver. It is incredibly fast, exceptionally stable, and highly cost-effective. If you are doing general writing, text analysis, creative brainstorming, or standard day-to-day business tasks, Sonnet handles them all beautifully without breaking a sweat. Instead of jumping straight to the most expensive tier, you should consciously start almost all of your daily tasks directly with Sonnet. It hits the perfect sweet spot between intelligence and speed, meaning you get high-quality answers back in seconds. Claude. Opus, the heavy hitter for deep reasoning. So, when do you pull out the big guns? That is where Claude. Opus comes in. Opus is engineered for deep thinking and complex reasoning. You should only call on Opus when you are facing multi-step problems, highly abstract logic, long research periods, or massive, complex code bases. A great rule of thumb for using Opus is to ask yourself, are the consequences of making a mistake here going to be massive? If you are auditing a legal contract, calculating critical financial data, or debugging software infrastructure, use Opus. Just keep in mind the trade-off: Opus is much slower to respond, and it consumes far more credits. Treat it like a senior specialist. You don't ask them to write a basic email, you only call them into the room when you need them to think carefully through a massive challenge. Claude. Haiku, lightning fast for lightweight missions. On the complete opposite end of the spectrum, we have Claude. Haiku. Haiku is designed for quick and easy tasks. It is by far the fastest and cheapest model in the entire lineup. If you need a minor text repair, a quick data search, or a lightweight classification task, like sorting 50 customer emails into simple categories, Haiku is your best friend. Don't try to force Haiku to handle heavy, creative, or deeply analytical tasks, it will get completely overwhelmed. But for high speed, high volume, simple jobs, nothing beats it. Summary: the 3-tier rule. To sum it all up, keep this 3-tier rule in your mind. Use Haiku for the small things, Sonnet for your everyday tasks, and Opus exclusively for your most challenging problems. By matching the tool to the task, you'll keep your workflows running lightning fast while saving a massive amount of credit budget over the course of the month. Which Claude model have you been relying on the most lately? Have you been accidentally burning through your credits on Opus for simple tasks? Let me know your workflow setup in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more strategic AI guides, and I'll see you in the next video.